Hello, chemistry students. Let's review over some scientific notation really quickly, so as you encounter these numbers in scientific notation, it doesn't overwhelm you. So I've got a few examples here. So the first one is 1,750,000. And to convert that to scientific notation, take where the decimal place is currently understood to be, move it however many places it takes to get it to the point where you only have one digit to the left of the decimal, and then however many places you had to move the decimal is the power of 10. So the decimal is understood to be here after the last 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places over, and that means that it would be 1.75 times 10 to the 6. Basically, this is saying if you took 1.75 and multiplied it times 10 6 times, you'd get 1,750,000. Now, the easiest way to write this number is 1.75e6. The e is saying that this is exponential, kind of like this exponential key over here. And that just means that we're going to take this number and multiply it times 10 6 times. Now, if you're working with a smaller number, like smaller than 1 small, this number is an example of that, so 0.0000348. Now, to convert that to scientific notation, same process. We're going to move the decimal place. This time we're moving it to the right, so it'll be negative. But anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to make this number be in scientific notation. So that means that the power of 10 that we need here is -5. So you count the places. If it's a number smaller than 1, then you do negative. If it's a number bigger than 1, you do positive exponent. Okay, and putting that in the e or the exponential notation here, just 3.48e -5. Most of the time when I write these, I'm going to use the e because it's just the easiest way to write those numbers out. Now, I'm going to show you some examples of how to do calculations in scientific notation. Whatever calculator you have, I encourage you to get on YouTube and just look up how to do scientific notation on that particular calculator, whether it's an iPhone or Android or different computer, or if you have a TI, Inspire, or whatever. There's a way to do this on all of those calculators. Now, on my particular calculator, I'm on a Windows computer here at school. So I've got just the standard calculator that comes on thing. Go down to the search bar and type calculator. I bet you can do that on a Chromebook too. And I have to change the mode over to scientific to get all these buttons. So anyways, let's do this 1.75. So 1. All right, third time's a charm. Let's do this again. All right, so I'm going to plug in the 1.75 times 10 to the 6, and then I'm going to multiply it times 3.48 e -5. All right, so when I do that, I get 60.9, as you can see there. Let me show you how to divide. And that's, again, why I like the E key, because I don't have to do any parentheses or anything. If you do this, at least on the Inspire calculators, and if you do the times 10 raised to the power and you don't put everything in parentheses, you'll get a wrong answer. All right, so 1.75 E6 divided by 3.48 e -5. Right, when you do that, okay, wow, it kicks out that huge number. Let me see if I can figure out how to put that in scientific notation. All right, on this particular calculator, it looks like this is the button that does that. So this is standard form, and then this is, I guess, exponential or scientific notation form. See how it gives me the 5.028, lots of digits there. E plus 10 made me realize that I typed a negative there incorrectly earlier. So just fix that, and we're good to go again. So that's how you deal with scientific notation and put it in the calculator And, feel free to refer back to this as you go throughout the year, because we're going to see scientific notation some, but not enough that you're going to be like using it every day. So we may have to revisit this as we go.